Hello beautiful people, I'm xtine, and today I'm going to show you how to steam broccoli in a rice cooker. It's so easy you might think to yourself, I can't believe this lady on the internet took the time to make this video. But I did, and I did it for you. Aww. Literally all you need is broccoli and a rice cooker and water. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is chop your broccoli into florets. There are lots of things you can do with broccoli stems, but today mine are going in the compost. You want to make sure not to cut your florets too small right now because they could slip through the holes in the plastic steaming basket. You can always cut them into smaller pieces later. This is the basket I'm talking about. It should come with your rice cooker. Get your broccoli in there. Now we're ready to get steamy. You'll want to fill this barrel that lives in the rice cooker with about an inch and a half of water. Then just place the steaming basket on top and close the lid. Turn it on and press the steam button. It should light up and beep to indicate that it's working. I told you this was easy. It will beep when it's done, and in 5 to 10 minutes you'll have perfectly steamed broccoli. Wow, I added mine to this salad. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, if you thought it was helpful, maybe subscribe. And we could hang out on a more regular basis, which personally I would love. And you'll also probably get some other healthy cooking tips, tricks, recipes, fun stuff like that, and some unhealthy stuff too, because I've got one life to live. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.